folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I want to talk to you about soapstone wood cook stoves, maintaining them, and color changing options. So featured here we do have the Rizzoli, the L90. Now as you can see, the soapstone is like a bluish gray with maybe even sometimes some white splatters mixed in there. So soapstone, that is the color. It is a natural stone and it can vary from manufacturer to manufacturer, and even the same model could look slightly different depending on that batch of stone. So if you get any type of like food splatters or anything on the stove while you're cooking, it's pretty noticeable on the stone. You can actually take a piece of sandpaper, 220 grit, and go with the grain of the stove, and that will actually get rid of any type of spots or anything. So that's if you like the color as is. Now I also want to show you this. So this is a soapstone panel that has been treated with coconut oil. So I'll show you the back of it, of the stone parts that have yet to be treated. Okay, so I want to show you guys close up the color comparison difference. The lighting is kind of bright, so it looks a little, the stove looks a little whiter, or maybe it's just the contrast. But when you add the oil, it just really brings out the blue-green in it. And this is definitely more of a blue, kind of a gray. Definitely changes the dynamic of the soapstone. So this is pretty heavy. This soapstone is what gives the stove the heat thermal storage benefit. And then again, if you wanted to oil the stove to change the color, it definitely makes it like a much more greeny type of color. So I hope that you guys found this video overview on soapstone helpful. If you did, please don't forget, give our video a thumbs up, share our content with your friends and on social media. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. God bless. Have a wonderful day.